Hi guys, I'm back for another video in my 3-part laundry room series. This video today is going to be all about some laundry room organizational hacks. So I got some things that I found. You guys know I'm a huge DIYer. I love DIYs. If you love DIYs, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little red button, and turn the bell on as well so you get notifications, as well as follow me on all my social media channels because I share my daily life on those channels. So especially Instagram. Don't forget to do that. So if you don't know, I am a huge DIYer. So today I have some really cool organizational hacks to kind of make my laundry room more functional. You know, like a lot of times you just need function. And then I also like to decorate. So we tried to make it functional as well as pretty. So I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out the other 2 videos in this 3-part laundry room series. This organization hack that I have to share with you is a slim organizational cart. I really love this, and I was trying to find reasonable ways to add more storage and more function to my laundry room, and this was perfect. I was able to put all of the supplies that we use on a regular basis without having to reach for anything, and it's tucked away and hidden between the washer and dryer. It's like the greatest invention ever. I will leave a link. I got it from Amazon, and I will leave a link for it below. And you can see how it looks. You can't even tell from the side. The only time you can tell is when you walk around to the center. The next little hack I have is going to be a dryer sheet hack. I found this acrylic clear tissue box on Amazon. I will leave a link for it below as well. And I decided to use this for my dryer sheets. I think it's a cute storage. It blends in. I think it's just super functional. I think it's also super cute and a great way to hold on to your dryer sheets. Alright, so this next suggestion is a rolling cart. Guys, I found this at Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe, and I used a 20% off coupon. But yeah, it matched the laundry room color, but it's also rolling, so I can just roll it to the room, throw my clothes in there, and roll it back out. This is perfect if you have kids too. You can just roll from room to room to room without having to carry and break your back, because I have back issues. So I think this is a perfect laundry room product. So for this next hack, this is going to be a garbage bag dispenser that we're going to use a Diet Coke empty box for. I'm gonna use contact paper. I wanted to actually originally use wrapping paper, but guys, believe it or not, I had no wrapping paper. They were all at my old house and we haven't gotten it yet, unfortunately, so I didn't have any wrapping paper in this house, so I had to use contact paper, but it's fine because it just stuck right on and I didn't have to worry about taping and all of that. So anyway, I had this brown texture contact paper laying around, so this is what I decided to use because I think it would match and blend in with the laundry room. So all I did was like kind of like a Christmas present. I just wrapped it, you know. It was no specific technique. You know, the corners I did cut, you know, the contact paper cut and placed down, you know, like in whatever access you do, you just cut it off. But other than that, I just wrapped it like I would a gift wrap. And the bottom I wasn't really worried about. I mean, it's open, you can see, you know, the Diet Coke emblem, but I'm not worried about it because that's gonna be on the bottom anyway. But yeah, this is super quick, super easy. And one thing I use garbage bags for in my laundry room is for my pet pads. Like when I'm cleaning up my pet pads in there, I definitely use grocery bags to put the dirty pads in before placing them in the trash can. That also is another hack to keeping pet smells out your home and out your rooms. So I double bag them, so I have to keep grocery bags around. So this bag dispenser is going to actually serve that purpose and be perfect, but you can use it for whatever you want, but it's definitely a great way to do your bags without having to go buy. I mean, they do have buyable bag dispensers, which I like those too. I may put one downstairs in my pantry, but for upstairs I needed something quick and something simple to and inexpensive. So this works out perfect, and I will show you how the bag goes in. And so for the inside edges, you can see they kept coming up. I just used longer pieces on the inside to tape them down so that they don't come up. But other than that, it was a super easy DIY project. And there you have it. That's how it looks. So for me, it didn't have to be perfect. So, and then you can draw a bag out and you can put bags back in. So and I just hid it away in my cabinet. This next hack is going to be a laundry lasso. It's something that if you have these type front loaders, like water a lot of times sits on the insides of glass window. So instead of leaving it open where it's in the way, you gotta walk through it and you not have dogs. So I found this hack to be super simple. I found this on Amazon. I will leave links to everything below. Okay, this next hack is literally just storage boxes. So I keep a bin for my dirty kitchen towels, and then I have another bin below for my clean kitchen towels. This is a great way to keep your laundry organized without overwhelming yourself. Okay, this last hack you may have seen before. It's kind of common. I'm using a command strip in here. I'm gonna use this to hang my mop on, and it's perfect because these can be removed. It's just great to hang any item that you need to hang that you don't want on the floor, as well as not having to like screw something to the wall and mess your walls up. So it works out perfect. So drop me a comment and let me know which one of these organization hacks that you like best, or which one you think you're gonna incorporate. I would love to know. That's the purpose for you guys, is to help you and to show you what I'm doing. Maybe you like it. I would love to know if you're gonna use one of these hacks.